Hi there, it's Bill with Smart Trades, and it's Wednesday, September 15th, around 10:47 a.m. And this chart's just a bit dated. I sent it out to my clients earlier, and I'd like to point out a couple of things very quickly, just an update here. One thing to keep in mind is that our upside target is around 1157. I think we're still on track for that. However, our downside potential is down under 950. So the reward scenario here is starting to shift. There's more risk than there is reward, so you want to start to be careful if you're long and vigilant if you are a bear in here. At any rate, we've got somewhat mixed signals today. The advanced decline line in particular is rolling over pretty sharply. There are other indicators that I have, bellwether stocks and so on, that are also rolling over. I think this market is quite vulnerable. Although the count is calling for somewhat higher prices, we could see a series of small fifth waves to moderately higher prices. The other thing that to consider is the 1130 area is right in the area of the previous high on the S&P. Now the Nasdaq's already taken out that high, and again, I think that our 1157 target is still the ideal scenario. That said, this market is probably overdue for a little bit of a pullback at least. You can see earlier today it pulled back to a very small previous fourth wave support area. It held there. And in spite of the very negative breadth on the opening, breadth has improved, but we're still diverging quite heavily. So I'm looking actually for a pullback, even a place to possibly get short in here. Potential and a probable area for a correction to take us down to would be the previous fourth wave of one lesser degree, which would be around the 1090 area. That's also about a 38% retracement of this rally off of the late August lows. So let's watch for that. I'm not necessarily short right here yet, but I am getting close. A quick review on the pound. I talked about the bullish pattern there. We did break out on very good volume. I think that most likely the pound is heading higher. Short-term pullbacks notwithstanding, but I think the pound pattern, if you will, is bullish for now. And gold, we've talked about that 1282 area being a perfect target. We're getting awful close to that as well. As you can see here, we've got an intersection both of the short-term upper channel on the wedge and the longer-term wedge. They're coming in right around that 1280 area. Let's watch it very carefully here over the next few days. Non-confirmations in terms of volume, momentum, you name it. That looks like an ascending wedge, and unless it just powers right through 1280, 1285 or so, I'm looking to possibly short gold here in the next several days, which kind of fits with the potential peak in the market maybe. Who knows? Sometimes these things work together, sometimes not. Anyway, again, just a quick update today. Hope you're having a good one, and good luck to you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.